The lens is a transparent, biconvex structure in the eye. It sits between the iris and the vitreous body and is held in place by zonules attached to the ciliary body. Its front surface is less convex than the back. During fetal development, the lens starts as a small vesicle from the surface ectoderm. Cells at the back elongate and form the lens fibers. Now, most lens cells don't divide, but cells at the equator keep multiplying, move inward and harden to form the nucleus. The outer part is called the cortex. The lens has no blood supply, so it gets nutrients from the aqueous humor. It has a refractive power of about 18 diopters. Its main job is to focus light on the retina and help with accommodation. It also helps protect the eye from the ultraviolet rays. Finally, vitamin C is crucial for the lens health and protects against cataract.